Last year in 2021, despite the global pandemic, we rode a cumulative total of just over 500,000 kilometres, which equates to twice around the globe. Hi, I'm Tom de Wilton. I'm the COO and co-founder of Oxwash. We offer on-demand sustainable laundry services for businesses and consumers. Kyle founded Oxwash back in 2017 in Oxford and essentially was really frustrated with the laundry facilities. Essentially would do laundry for his friends. So he'd bring it back. To start with, he'd wash it at home and then he'd iron it, at home in his living room. He then did a deal with one of the local laundrettes where he would have after hours access and would be there feeding the 50 pences in, and then businesses started to catch on. Kyle went and visited every laundry in Oxfordshire and much further afield. There was no sustainability whatsoever. We are trying to become the world's first net zero commercial laundry, including our logistics. So we had our bikes, we had our electric cargo bikes, we built the first laundry, we then launched in Cambridge and then in London. Electric cargo bikes have been front and centre of Oxwash from day zero, collecting and delivering laundry from the streets of Oxford. The only way we could do it was using electric cargo bikes. Traffic in Oxford is traditionally terrible. You can't park, you can't get anywhere, completely unpredictable. So essentially to be able to deliver a reliable, convenient, on-time service anywhere within the ring road of Oxford, the only option was electric cargo bikes. We can promise to our customers that we will be there when we say we will. And I can't quite believe I'm saying this, but we used to offer a 15-minute collection or delivery window. If all of those collection and deliveries from last year had been done by diesel van, that would have resulted in carbon emissions of approximately 124 tonnes. Over time, we've seen some really surprising customers come on board. Most recently, it has all been about the fashion world, and specifically the circular fashion. So fashion rental, resale and repair. You would never think that an electric cargo bike could comfortably ride across the other side of London and pick up exceptionally expensive, high quality dresses that need to be collected with care, finished in our process and then returned ready to wear it that evening. We can't hang a full-length ball gown within that bike, but we sure as hell can get it back to the customer in a state that they take it out of the bag, they put it on and they look fantastic. What is it that makes somebody place an order with Oxwash? Yes, they will have seen our ads, they'll have seen our socials, but it is that moment where you see an Oxwash bike cruise past you, whether in Oxford, Cambridge or London, and it becomes real. You're looking at this bike and you think, okay, and then they go online and they place an order, and then that same rider that they saw pass them on the street is that person that knocks on the front door, big smile, collects the laundry, explains that yes, I can fit this in the front of my bike, and no, there is not a washing machine in the box of the bike. So we have tried every electric cargo bike on the market. We have been all over, we've trialled them, we've ridden them, we've put them through their paces, and Urban Arrow, hands down, our fleet is now exclusive to Urban Arrow. We use a selection of XLs and tenders, and they are quite simply the bee's knees.